The suspected Hantavirus outbreak on an expedition cruise ship has sparked global alarm, forcing authorities to roll out fresh COVID-style health protocols to prevent further spread. 3 passengers have died and at least 5 others are ill following the outbreak on the MV Hantavirus, a Netherlands-operated ship that visited Antarctica and the Falkland Islands before heading to the Atlantic. The vessel is now under tight restrictions as it sails towards Spain's Canary Islands. Passengers have been placed under strict measures including mandatory mask wearing in public areas, social distancing, frequent hand sanitization, and cabin isolation for symptomatic individuals. Meals are now served in shifts with alternate seating, while the crew has intensified deep cleaning and air ventilation routines. The World Health Organization, along with Spanish and Dutch health authorities, has activated emergency response plans. Contact tracing is ongoing, and all passengers will undergo 45 days of symptom monitoring. Some high-risk individuals are expected to be quarantined in military hospitals upon arrival. Hantavirus, primarily transmitted to rodent droppings, causes severe respiratory illness with a high fatality rate in serious cases. Although it is not easily transmitted between humans, the deadly nature of the virus has triggered memories of the early COVID-19 days. Health experts say while the risk to the general public remains low, the incident has raised serious concerns about biosecurity standards on long-distance cruise ships operating in remote areas. Officials are urging recent travelers on the vessel to monitor their health and report any symptoms immediately. Tense drama unfolded in the Senate today as Senate President Godswill Akpabio and former Governor Senator Oshiomhole engaged in a heated public clash over the recently amended Senate standing rules. The confrontation erupted when Oshiomhole attempted to raise a point of order during proceedings. Akpabio swiftly ruled him out of order, citing the new rules. What followed was a 15-minute back and forth that left many senators stunned. At the heart of the matter is the recent controversial amendment to Orders 4 and 5 of the Senate's standing rules. The new rules now stipulate that only senators who have served at least 2 consecutive terms will be eligible to contest for key leadership positions, including Senate President. Many see this as a strategic move to influence the 2027 Senate presidency race.
Point of order comes after the correction of the votes. You cannot raise point of order. And I've said it, people have been in these chambers for 3 years now. We should begin to know the rules of the Senate. I don't want to be accused of executive arrogance. That's why I keep tolerating these things. Please, there's no new senator any longer. There's no new senator any longer. Let us try our best to abide by the rules here. Am I right? So point of order, you are ruled out of order.
In a stern warning, Akpabio told Oshiomhole, "If you become unruly, we will use the rules to take you out of the Senate." Oshiomhole, however, insisted that the amendments were undemocratic and aimed at stifling dissenting voices. The clash has further exposed deep cracks within the All Progressives Congress APC in the Senate and raised questions about power consolidation ahead of the next general elections. Political observers believe this development may trigger more internal battles as different factions position themselves for 2027.